Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Timothy Williams Jr. If you want to learn about business, investing, and personal finance, tune in. Hey guys, welcome back with another video. This is Timothy Williams Jr. and today we're going to be talking about how to get your EIN for your business. For you people who don't know what an EIN is, it's basically a social security for your business. So instead of using your personal social security, you get an EIN number, and it's for tax purposes and it's to find whatever business you do have. So basically, like I said, it's a social security for your business. Before we begin, make sure you have your business entity established. Me personally, I like to do an LLC. If you hit the link below on one of my oldest videos, it's how to file an LLC in the state of Michigan. But I'm sure it's easy for Michigan, Texas, whatever state you're in. So click that link below on how to file an LLC for your business or whatever business entity you prefer. Alright, so you're going to open up your internet browser and type in irs.gov/EIN. On there, first thing you see is the hours of operations, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can't do it after 10 p.m. or before 6 a.m. They won't allow you to start the process on doing your EIN. So to step by step, so click apply online now. Hit close and begin the application. So if you've seen in one of my previous videos on how to file an LLC, you can find out which corporation is best for you. You have sole proprietorship, you have partnership, corporations, limited liabilities, estate, trust. But for today's video, we're going to do a limited liability corporation. Hit the link below and you can see my video on how to create your own LLC. It's going to say, what is a LLC? Like I said, click the link below and find out how to file your LLC and what exactly it is. Hit continue. And how many people are going to be in the LLC. For today's video, it's going to be one. I'm just going to put myself and click whatever state you're in. And then hit continue. And then also, it's asking about the single member of a LLC. If you click as classified as discarded entity, you'll see for one person it's considered a sole proprietorship. On a later video we'll go in depth on that and the different tax advantages for a sole proprietorship. And then just hit continue, and then start a new business, hired employees, banking purposes, change type of organization, or purchased active business. We're going to put start a new business. And remember, you're going to need this EIN to start a business bank account as well. So just fill in all the information, first name, middle initial, and your last name, and suffix if you have one as well. You do have to put in your social. So just put that in, whatever your social is. And then for today, we're going to pick I am the owner of this LLC. And then hit continue. So for today's video, again, we're going to just put a random address. But whatever address your business is, make sure you put that in. But do not enter a P.O. box. They don't like P.O. boxes, so put a physical address down below. I had to figure out an address to put in. So just put, for this video, I'm just putting anything, but make sure you put the correct address. Because like again, you're going to actually get your EIN number today. As soon as you're done, you're going to get that EIN number and it's free. And then put a phone number in case they need to contact you, whatever business number you do have. Make sure to put that in. Do you have an act? Yeah, no, same. So continue, and then it's going to show up found in our database or what you entered. So we're just going to accept the database version. And then here, whatever name of your LLC, you have to put that in word for word, whatever it is, make sure you put that in. So I'm going to put one of my older LLCs. So I'm going to put that in. And it already pulled up what county it's located in as well as the state. So you don't need to put this in because it's not different. And then put whatever state you're in, which is Michigan. And whenever you started the LLC, just go back to whatever date, month as well as year you started your LLC and make sure you put that in. And then for here, does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more? No. We're not gambling, no. Form 720 to report and pay excise tax? Nope. Does your business sell? Nope. Do you have or do you expect to have any W-2 employees? No, we're going to put that no. But if you do have any W-2 employees, make sure you put yes. Then hit continue. And what type of business or organization do you have? For today's video, we're going to do real estate. But if you have a wholesaling, warehouse, transportation, retail, construction, whatever business you do have, put that in. And if you don't see it, click other down below. And we're going to be renting or leasing the property. No, I'm sorry. I'm going to manage real estate for others. Hit continue. And now for this last part, you want to make sure that you hit receive letter online so that you can get it today. You're not going to have to wait, because if you do the mail, you're going to have to wait up to 4 weeks for delivery, and that's not what we want to do. So click receive letter online, and then we can print this out in case we want to open up a business bank account. And then you're just going to hit continue, and that's it. Congratulations for sticking through the video. You now have your EIN number for your business. First and foremost, make sure you print that out and also print out your articles of organization for whatever business you have, and you can go to open up a business bank account. Once you do that, once you do have your business bank account, check out one of my latest videos on how to build business credit. It's only 6 steps, so check out that video and start to build that business credit so you can have funding for whatever business venture you're in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love the support. We're continuing to grow every day. I'm continuing to create more better content. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Comment below any suggestions you guys do have, whatever business videos you guys want to see, or whatever questions you guys do have. Or even if you're running into any problems, comment below or DM me on Instagram at Timothy Williams Jr. 0. And don't forget to follow as well. Subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys.